So what is seeing AI? Now, this to me is absolutely amazing. So for people with low vision, and not just English speakers, but now it's also available in multiple languages, it narrates the world around to help people with low vision navigate in the modern times. So what does this app do? Before I show it on my screen and we do a full walkthrough, let's just take a quick look at what we see here. Okay, so again, there's multiple tasks when you open the app. It is a free download from the App Store and Google Play. And what can this app do? Now, there's a number of functions at the bottom of the screen. Again, I'm going to show this in just a second, but let's just look at each of the features. So automatically when the app is opened, it is set to short text. So as soon as the camera picks up on some kind of text, it begins to narrate that text. As soon as it appears in front of the camera, the phone is reading that text out loud to you. Documents allows the user to scan a printed page and with OCR, be able to read that text out loud. So for longer documents, like a menu, for example, or a course syllabus, the person can scan the document and it will begin narrating out loud. There's also a barcode feature, which will give an audible beep until the barcode is found. It will scan the barcode and then begin to provide product information out loud. One of the cool features is person. So you can use the phone camera and it will locate a person and it will begin describing the person. Hair color, if possible, eye color, if possible, even can detect emotion and be able to provide a representation of that person and what that person might be feeling. Similarly, there's scene, where the phone becomes literally the camera and you are able to hear what is being seen by the camera. Currency helps when purchasing products. It will scan the currency and let you know what bills you are using to make sure that you are paying correctly. There's also a light sensor. It will create a tone that tells you how bright or how dark the surroundings are. Similarly, color. Every time a color is perceived, that color description will be voiced through the phone. And there's also a handwriting feature. Now, okay, everyone has different handwriting. So just be aware. Sometimes if a person's handwriting is, shall we say, not always nice, pretty, it might have some difficulty. But it helps when a person needs to be able to see and read somebody else's handwriting. It's definitely helpful and getting better all the time. So let's take a look at the actual app and take a walkthrough so that you can see and hear what these sound like. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've downloaded the Seeing AI app, which is of course available for Google as well as iOS devices, so Android or iOS devices. And we're just gonna open it. Now keep in mind, again, this is created for people with low vision. So as soon as it launches, it's going to start scanning for short text. So let's see what happens.
Short text. Moving on the floor, babe. Moving 0 and the floor, babe of paradise, cherry ice cream smile, I suppose very nice with a step to your document.
Okay, so you
top left corner not visible.
You can see as we go through that it's locating
no edges visible.
And it's making sure that the user is able to understand what needs to be done. So let's look at a document.
No edges visible.
Okay, let's take a look at a very quick document, something very simple that I happen to have with me.
No edges visible.
It's telling me that the edges
hold steady. Processing.
And then it automatically processes. right. And now I can notice at the bottom of the screen that there is a play and a stop button. I can enlarge or decrease the text, and I can even go ahead and share this out. So it will read it out loud to me so that I can see and hear what is on that printed document. And again, this works with any printed document. So a menu, for example, at a restaurant. And again, keep in mind, you can also have this translated. So this can be all translated and read out loud in one of 60 different languages. Okay, let's do the next one. Unfortunately, I don't have a barcode, but what I can do, and again, it gives me some instructions here for the first time that I'm using this. So I'm going to be, if I do have a barcode, I'm going to be moving the camera back and forth across the product until it finds a barcode. Once the barcode is found, it will then give me product information automatically. So again, it's as I'm scanning a product, it's going to beep faster the closer I get to the barcode. So great way to make sure that I am purchasing what I need, that it has the features that I need while I'm out shopping. Okay, next. You can even scan people. So when you are out and about, you can scan the surroundings to find out how many people there are, how close they are, their feelings using their facial expressions. And you can even teach the app to recognize particular people. So they use face recognition so that you can know who is coming into your view, into your area. Again, after taking the photo, the Seeing AI will give you an estimate of the person's emotions. Again, it's difficult, of course, it's difficult to read people's expressions 100% of the time, but it's learning. Again, this is artificial intelligence and it learns. So the more you use it, the more accurate it's going to get. Okay, currency. Again, it's always improving. It's learning as we use the apps. So you hold the camera over your currency and select by clicking the main screen, and it will let you know what bill it is. So Scene is in preview, and it hasn't been released to everybody, but the intent is that you would be able to scan using the camera, scan the world around you, and it would be able to give you ideas of what was present, objects, buildings, things of that nature. And again, it's AI, so it's continually learning.
Color.
Same thing with color.
Gray and black.
Color.
Brownish green.
We'll just give you
brown and white. Black.
It'll just give you
brownish green.
Some colors.
Black and brown. Handwriting preview.
Again, for handwriting, this is going to be different because it will really be important for how neatly a person writes. So I'm going to try here. So I'm going to take a picture.
Processing.
And
if you want to know what a man is like, take a good look at how he treats his inferiors, not as equal. Sirius Black.
You can tell I'm a Harry Potter fan. So you can use handwriting versus document, because document, again, is going to be a typeset piece, whereas handwriting is not. So this is just a quick painting on canvas. But you could use for notes in a class. If a friend were to provide notes during a class, could take a photograph using Seeing AI handwriting, and it would be able to transcribe for you in audio form what the notes say. So, and it does keep a picture here as well. You can save the photo, or you can share it to email or to another application. So that's just a quick walkthrough of Seeing AI, which is absolutely amazing for people with low vision. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found the video helpful. If you do find yourself in need of support, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach out to me through my website, wensleredconsulting.net, or send me an email at wensleredconsulting@gmail.com. And of course, if you like the video, please head over to my YouTube channel to like and subscribe. Thanks again, have a great day, and cheers.